ready. If you know say you love MC Pepper, can I hear you say you shoko? Oh yeah. Shout out to Akuna Matata. When I hear say DJ Jokolo the two party here today, what I want to now? They say our things never complete. If you don't say you never spray, what are you waiting for? DJ Gaga, are you ready to party tonight? Yeah. Alright, DJ Jokolo, I want to say one more time, happy birthday to you, my brother. It's always a pleasure to be right here in the big city of Frankfurt. You already know from Stuttgart, Akuna Matata, since long time, you know we've been rocking. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Big Son all the way from Stuttgart. I want to see all the sexy ladies on the dance floor. Hey, when Big Son play big tune, I want to see all the sexy ladies on the dance floor. MC, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, let's party. Alright. DJ Gaga, are you ready to smash the house tonight? The stage is on fire, the stage is on fire. They said, please, when the crowd, what are you waiting for? Shout out to DJ Jokolo. He's saying what time on something, I don't know.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, right now we're about to party to Mama Call. Please listen. Before we party, I want to say something here right now. Don't forget, my name is DJ Don Jokolo on the wheel of Still Don't Get It Twisted. Up in the pump, baby. You know what time it is. It's my birthday. I want to welcome everybody here. And I want to say a big thanks to every one of you that came here to celebrate with me. Thank you so much. Right now, DJ Gaga is here. The party is about to catch fire. The party is about to catch fire. Ladies, are you ready to party? Are you ready to party? Okay, let's go, DJ Gaga. One love. DJ.
Please. Sorry, make I announce this thing. If you know say you get waist pain. Today your waist pain will be cured in Jesus' name. Alongside with DJ Gaga, if you know say you get romanticism for your waist, you know the fit twist away. With DJ Gaga today, your romanticism will be cancelled in Jesus' name. Shout out to all those girls who like people now. Shout out to all those men where they like small. DJ Gaga, are you ready? DJ Gaga, we are now. Oh yeah. Shout out to all the men. Shout out to DJ Jokolo. Shout out to all the shout out to all the sexy ladies. Are you ready? You know this is song. You know this is. Nobody.
two for the back. Are you ready to party with DJ Gaga? Okay, yeah. Somebody, you know this things now. Shout out to DJ Gaga. Shout out to all the sexy ladies who are dance right now. Shout out to all the handsome people in our area. In our first show. Are you ready? Hakuna Matata, are you ready? Oh yeah, let's go. Take it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to rock with DJ Jokolo tonight? Alongside DJ Gaga. Shout out to my dude everywhere. Shout out to my Lord. Shout out to the money. Okay, there's gonna be more inside the house. Oh yeah, we dey talk am before. We don't talk am again. We dey talk am before. We don't talk am again. Because you know how you don't go enough without condom. Because you know how you don't go enough without condom. Oh yeah, it's allowed. It's allowed. It's allowed. It's allowed. It's allowed. Oh now, try to move to this place now. Oh yeah. Hakuna Matata, you Some breast are apple breast, some breast are butter breast. My sister, which one you get to? Apple breast are sandy breast, and butter breast are kilo. To kilo they do the same work. Are you ready to party with me? Let's go tonight. Ready, sister. Are you ready to party tonight? Shout out to MC Pepper. Oh yeah, man. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to King of Press. Press money, press mother. Friday morning. Whenever Friday morning day. Shout out to Friday morning. Sunday morning. Sunday morning. Do something. Better do something. Friday morning. Do something. Friday morning. Do something. Do something. Shout out to Freedom. Shout out to Apelabula. Shout out to all our men. Shout out to all the sexy ladies. Are you ready to rock it tonight? Are you ready to rock it with that Kuna Matata? Do something. Are you ready? DJ Gaga! Shout out to DJ Gaga! Gaga morning! Shout out to all the stuff like that big guys. Shout out to all the sexy ladies. DJ Cole, where you now? DJ Cole. Shout out to Friday. Shout out to Akuna Matata. Shout out to MC Pepper. Are you ready? Shake something. Every day, just a life. Shout out to another morning. Shout out
money, all out. You get the shop right, lock down. If you don't get money, leave out. Yes, it's simple, tap out. Show me CC. Cash up, cash up. Deal out, small money, all out. Simple, run out. You get the shop right, lock down. If you don't get money, leave out. Yes, it's simple, tap out. You ready to party tonight? Everything I said, are you ready? You know you're ready to party tonight. Shake something, shake up, shake up, shake something, shake up, shake it, shake something, shake up, shake up, shake something, shake up, shake up. Smile out the shake up, smile out the shake up, give out the shake up, take out the shake up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Shake something, rock something, eat something, drink something, eat something, rock something. Are you ready? If you know you are ready for DJ Gaga tonight, are you ready? 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 Are you ready to party to DJ Jokolo tonight? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'll never let you go. Are you ready to walk it tonight? Are you ready to take your color? Now I found another video. Let's take your color some love. You can find your love some love. I'll never let you go. But you're letting go. Show your color some love now. Why you let me go? Let me show you your color some love. I am for you. Some love. Some love. Some love. You know this is now normally. You know this is now. Are you ready tonight? Okay now. DJ Jokolo, are you ready to party tonight? Oh yeah. If you're
are not asking you, I'm listening.
Girl, I'm in love with your booty, girl, I'm in love with your booty, I'm in love with your booty, girl, I'm in love with your booty, when I wear it, you wear 1,000 pounds, you're the night, we're gonna like 7 pounds, baby, I'll tell you right, baby, I'll tell you right, you are designer, baby, my love designer, my love original, baby, I get that time, make a
Are you ready? Are you ready? All these sexy ladies now. Let's see what the way come on there. Once a while. Alongside the Jogata, alongside MC Angelo. I got the money, baby, super. Back to the money, almost in the land. Oh, in the DJ, yeah. All these sexy ladies in the dancing floor. Are you ready to party? Yeah. All these ones that shake go. All these ones that shake go. Let's rock the stage with DJ John Colo. Colo, more singing for stage now. Alright. Let's rock the stage with DJ John Colo. Are you ready? One time. You ready to party tonight? I do not want to. Are you ready to run with the DJ John Colo? Shake up. If you don't say your head is shake, shake up. My head is shake. Midnight is shake. Are you ready? What time? Are you ready to have something tonight? Rock something, shoot something, drink something, eat something, do something, shake up. DJ Gaga. Oyana. Play something, Gaga play something. DJ John Colo. Today I your birthday. We shake. Oh yeah now. All the songs are picking up. Oh yeah. Shake up. Smile the shake up. So forget down with your bump. Bring out the shake up. Rock something. Baby, rock something. Oh yeah. DJ. Are you ready to hold the song with DJ Gaga? Yeah. I want something to make you know the hard one. Are you ready to rock the song with DJ Gaga? The stage is on fire. One time. The stage is on fire right now. DJ Gaga, if you know you're ready to party the song with DJ Gaga, can I hear you say Shoko? If you know say you are ready to party with DJ Jokolo, can I hear you say Shoko? Oh yeah now. I want to see the sexy ladies. something now. Oh, you know. Shake up, 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 shake up. Original shoe, original shoe, rock up, 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 rock up.